Hello everyone. Let us study today applications of laser. In the previous lectures, we studied laser in detail, various processes and how that laser work, types of laser. Now come to the applications of laser. In these days, laser is widely used in almost all the fields. So first of all, we start with the usage of laser in daily life. In our daily life, laser is widely used in the various fields. First, laser barcode scanner in supermarkets. Second, printers in offices as well as in home for the printout. Third, laser pointer in toys or to point out something on the screen. Fourth, compact disc CDs. Fifth, laser light shows, day by day becoming very popular. Lighting and decorations, laser thermometers, holography, toys, burglar alarm, theft alarm, water alarm. So these are the uses of laser in our day-to-day life. Come to industry. In the industry, we have a very powerful laser, carbon dioxide, which is widely used, having power in megawatt, used for cold welding, cutting, drilling, cooling, marking. These are the applications where laser is widely used in industry. In medical field, laser is also used in medical field. First, that is correction of retina, LASIK laser, tattoo removal, hair removal, unwanted hairs, they are removed, bloodless surgery, that is kidney stones, they are destroyed, endoscopy to see within, dentistry, that is artificial teeth. These are the medical applications. Laser is also used in defense and securities. Laser guns used by the army, laser tank, anti-tank missiles by Air Force, marking targets, LIDAR, that is remote sensing, to record the happening on the earth by satellite, remote sensing by light, and then communications, that is we have a three wing of armies. They use laser for the communication purposes. So these are the use. Now we start with the daily life use in detail. First daily life use of laser is barcode scanner. Supermarket scanner typically use helium neon laser to scan the universal barcode to identify product. जब भी हम सुपरमार्केट में जाते हैं, कोई भी सामान खरीदते हैं, जब भी बिल बनाने के लिए उसको लेके जाते हैं तो उसके ऊपर एक बारकोड होता है. जो पर्सन बिल बना रहा होता है वो उस बारकोड को स्कैन करता है. उसके पास एक स्कैनर होता है और ये जो स्कैनर है दैट इज हीलियम नियॉन लेजर. जैसे ही हीलियम नियॉन लाइट बारकोड पे पड़ेगी, दैट बारकोड रिफ्लेक्ट दैट लाइट received by the scanner and then the information of that packet is displayed on the computer screen. So that is the first daily life use, barcode scanner, widely used in supermarket. Second is laser printing. The laser printer has in few years become the dominant mode of printing in offices as well as in home. The laser is focused and scanned across a photoactive selenium coated drum where it produces a charge pattern which mirrors the material to be printed. जो ड्रम है मिरर पे लाइट पड़ेगी और ड्रम जो है वो वहां पे इमेज आ जाएगी जो भी हमने प्रिंट आउट लेना है. And the drum holds the particle of the toner and transfer to paper, which is rolled over the drum in the presence of heat. That is the diagram. ये आपका लेजर डायोड है, लेजर डायोड से मिरर पे, मिरर से ड्रम पे, और ड्रम उसको रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा, और जो आपने पेपर रखा हुआ है, जो भी मटेरियल प्रिंट आउट करना है, उसको जो है वो स्कैन करेगा। स्कैन करने के बाद ड्रम के ऊपर जो टोनर पार्टिकल्स हैं वो उसको क्या करेंगे, रिक्रिएट करेंगे और प्रिंट आउट आ जाएगा। तो दैट इज द प्रोसेस लेजर प्रिंटर। नाउ कम टू लेजर पॉइंटर। लेजर पॉइंटर इज अ डिवाइस having an output power of less than 1 milliwatt. The laser pointer emits red light and the wavelength of laser output is between 630 nanometer to 680 nanometer. They are used to point the object on screen. मार्केट में बहुत ज़्यादा अवेलेबल है, बच्चे खेलने के लिए भी इसका यूज करते हैं। पॉइंटर वेरी चीपेस्ट डिवाइस। सेमीकंडक्टर लेजर का इसमें यूज होता है। कम टू द नेक्स्ट, सीडी एंड कंपैक्ट डिवाइस। ऑप्टिकल डिस्क, द डिटेक्शन ऑफ द बाइनरी डाटा, दैट इज सीडी, ऑल ऑफ यू वेरी फेमिलियर, दे स्टोर data. When CD stored data, that data is stored in the form of bits, that is binary bits, 0 and 1. So first of all, data is converted into light, that is in the form of that binary numbers, codes, transmitted with the help of laser light, incident on the CDs, and then recorded. So the laser which is used for this purpose is semiconductor laser. Very popular in these days. Next application, laser light show. मार्केट में आजकल जैसे चंडीगढ़ की 17 सेक्टर मार्केट है, वहां पे भी लेजर शो वीकली जो है वो ऑर्गेनाइज किया जाता है। तो व्हाट इज दैट लेजर शो? अ लेजर लाइट शो इज एन आर्टिफिशियल परफॉर्मेंस। मूवीज देखते हैं आप, वहां पे जो है वो हीरो हीरोइन वो परफॉर्म करते हैं सॉन्ग में, तो वही परफॉर्मेंस दैट इज recreated with the help of laser light in laser show. So that is laser light show is an artificial performance that involves the use of laser light to entertain an audience. Laser show utilize the visibility of laser light, most so with different color laser sources. जो कलर यूज किए जाते हैं लाइट के, जनरली दे आर 3 which are widely used, known as RGB. R for red, G for green, B for blue. So these are the 3 primary colors which are widely used for that recreation purposes. Images बनाई जाती हैं उससे, और जैसे सॉन्ग प्ले करते हैं, कोई भी शो ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, तो widely used in these days laser light shows. 3-dimensional recreation. Now come to the next application, laser thermometer. Thermal scanning. Nowadays, that is we are at home due to coronavirus. So now when a person that travel within a state, within a district, all of you that heard in the news, thermal scanning is done with the help of a team of doctors. So what is that thermal scanning? That is thermal scanning, that is measurement of the temperature of a person without touching. So now laser thermometer, they are used for this process in the laser or in the thermal scanning of the person. In the laser thermometer, a laser light is focused on a forehead or an area which we want to scan, reflected by that portion on which we incident it, and recorded by the scanner, and a temperature is displayed on the screen as I am showing you. Laser light is incident on a portion which we want to scan, reflected back, and then temperature is shown or displayed. Widely used, that thermal scanning. Nowadays, come to the next application, holography. Holography is the three-dimensional recording of an object. बुक्स खरीदते हैं मार्केट से, हॉलोग्राम लगे होते हैं, जैसे ही किसी एंगल से, पर्टिकुलर एंगल से लाइट डालोगे, वहां पे उस पब्लिशर का, जो आप जिसने ये बुक बनाई है, उसका जो है वो नाम, एस चांद एंड पब्लिकेशन, धनपत राय एंड पब्लिकेशन, देन न्यू एज इंटरनेशनल पब्लिकेशन, तो ये सभी जो है वो डिस्प्ले होते हैं. तो व्हाट इज दैट? holography first of all is three-dimensional recording of an object. You are very familiar with the photography. So now what is the difference between photography and holography? Holography is 3D recording and photography is 2D recording. When we record a photograph by a camera, then a light is incident on an object whose photograph we want to click. That object reflects that light and the camera measure the intensity of the light which is reflected by the object. So in the photography, that is in the 2D recording, only intensity of light is measured. But if we want to measure, if we want to record three-dimensional image, then beside intensity, if phase is also recorded, because light consists of two important properties. One is intensity, that is amplitude, and second is the phase. If amplitude and phase both are recorded, then this is known as a three-dimensional recording and holography. A laser is used for that purpose. Light coming from laser, first of all, that is incident on a mirror, be split into a two part. One part that is directly incident on a lens, we spread it, and second another lens, we spread it and incident that on a object. When the light is directly incident on a point and second is incident first on object, then reflected by the object, and when these two rays, one is this, second is this, when these two rays they interfere constructively or destructively, then there is a formation of image. This is known as a holography, three-dimensional recording. Come to the burglar alarm. Burglar alarm are used in residential, commercial or military properties for protecting against theft. Widely used. So what happened in the burglar alarm? A laser light is incident on a mirror. Then there is a combination of the mirrors, and if there is a break in that laser light, this alarm that is blown. Cold welding. Now come to the industrial application. Cold welding, arc welding आपने सुनी हुई है. So now this is a cold welding without heating. Carbon dioxide laser is so much powerful laser that is used for that cold welding purposes. Cutting, that is cutting even the diamond that is cut with the help of that laser radiation. Drilling, similar, that is carbon dioxide laser is used for drilling and diamond is even drilled. तो आजकल इसीलिए डायमंड ज्वेलरी का जो बहुत ज़्यादा यूज है, पहले नहीं होता था. क्यों? पहले डायमंड को काटना और उसमें ड्रिल करना मुश्किल था. लेजर से सब कुछ पॉसिबल है. तो वाइडली यूज्ड इन दीज डेज. कम्युनिकेशन, लेजर इज वाइडली यूज्ड टू एस्टेब्लिश LAN, WAN or to establish a secure communication network. Surveying and ranging, that laser light is also used for civil engineers for surveying or ranging. Laser cooling, very important application used in research. That is a temperature up to 10⁻⁹ Kelvin has been reached. That is a extremely low temperature with the help of laser. Then in the researches, then in the medical bloodless surgeries, kidney stones, they are destroyed without operation with the help of laser. Endoscopy, that is to see within. Hair removal and tattoo removal. Unwanted hair and tattoos, they are removed by use of ruby laser. Correction of retina with the age, जैसे जैसे ओल्ड होते जाते हैं लोग, तो उनकी आंखों पे जो है वो ब्लड सेल क्लॉट हो जाते हैं कई बार. तो करेक्शन ऑफ रेटिना, तो उन ब्लड सेल को डिजोल्व करने के लिए रूबी लेजर यूज किया जाता है. और एक होता है आई साइट, लिस्क लेजर, कि 6/6 अगर किसी की आई साइट नहीं है तो उसका एक लेजर ऑपरेशन करते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं लिस्क आई सर्जरी. लिस्क लेजर, एक्साइमर लेजर इज यूज्ड.